Hello everyone and welcome to yet another update of Revit 2026 by CADCIM Technologies, and today we are going to talk about a very new update while we are working on sheets. Now this particular update is about saving the positions of any view in the sheet, which was much awaited in a Revit workflow for sheet composition. So it saves time and it saves a lot of efforts in order to position your views in the exact position that we want it in a sheet. Now let's see what it exactly is. Now for this we have this plan that we have created for this particular example, and we are going to create a sheet from this sheet composition tool. So we have, or from here we create a new sheet. Let's take a sheet as E1310, whatever is available here, and let's try to get one of the elevation over here. Let's say the east elevation, drag to this particular view. Now what will happen is, when you're selecting this view, there is a tool over here which says save position. Now this is very interesting. Now if you want to have the position saved for a particular view in this sheet area, so what you can do is you can basically save the position, name the save position as upper left. You can write it down the upper left corner and then choose the OK button. Now this particular position, if you look here in the properties, the saved position is upper LC. Now let's say you want to create another sheet and you want to use this position for other views. So I create another sheet. In another sheet I want to have the same position over here. Now let's say I am bringing the north elevation, and I want that this north elevation should be positioned in the upper left corner. So I select it, and from here I have the option of save position, and I say upper LC, and I'm exactly in that particular location, and it is locked. So if you want to unlock it, you can have this none option, and then you can change the position. Thank you for watching this update. Hope you have liked it. Please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.